Hello everyone and welcome back to our gardening channel. Today, we are going to talk about how to grow lemongrass from seeds. Lemongrass is a tropical herb that is commonly used in Asian cuisine and herbal medicine. It has a lemony flavor and aroma that makes it a popular ingredient in teas, soups, curries, and other dishes. Lemongrass is also known for its health benefits, such as reducing inflammation, aiding digestion, and promoting relaxation. To grow lemongrass from seeds, you will need to follow these simple steps. Visit our seed company online at www.backtonaturecompany.com for high-quality lemongrass seeds and other herb and vegetable seeds. Once you have your seeds, place them in a bowl of warm water and let them soak for 24 hours. This will help to soften the seed coat and improve germination. Lemongrass prefers well-draining soil that is rich in organic matter. You can amend your soil with compost or well-rotted manure to improve its fertility. Sow your lemongrass seeds directly into the soil, about 1/4 inch deep. Space the seeds 6 inches apart and cover them with a light layer of soil. Lemongrass needs regular watering to keep the soil moist, but not waterlogged. Fertilize your lemongrass once a month with a balanced fertilizer to keep it healthy and growing. Once your lemongrass seedlings have grown to about 2 inches tall, thin them out to about 1 foot apart. You can transplant the thinned seedlings to another location in your garden or give them to a friend. Once your lemongrass is fully grown, you can harvest it by cutting off the stalks at the base of the plant. Use a sharp knife or scissors to cut the stalks close to the soil. You can use lemongrass fresh or dried in a variety of dishes, teas, and infusions. That's it for today's video on how to grow lemongrass from seeds. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave a comment below and please subscribe.